Politics over the cyclone in West Bengal is also now peaking. BJP's Amit Malviya and TMC are now exchanging words over social media. Amit Malviya in a tweet said that a drone show has been organized ahead of the Prime Minister's visit tomorrow for campaigning in Kolkata. Remember, Kolkata is one of the seats that votes in the last phase of election on Saturday. Using that particular post of the BJP, TMC has now hit right back, going on to say that instead of showing solidarity and support during the kind of devastation that we've seen in the state, the BJP is shamelessly parading their drone show. Komalika, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Komalika, the war of words between the BJP and the TMC have been going on over the cyclone, over multiple issues, whether or not the Chief Minister had taken stock, whether the SDRF was actually working or it was just the NDRF. Now another front has been opened up.
Yeah, definitely. And it was quite expected because the cyclone has hit in a moment, at a time when the last phase of election is due. And most interestingly, the cyclone has hit in those places where the last phase of election is due. So definitely there are allegations and counter-allegations. We have seen even governor into it. Governor also held an emergency meeting yesterday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he had held an emergency meeting. And now, obviously, the BJP is saying that the NDRF doing everything. The Trinamool Congress is saying that instead of standing by the people, they are organizing drone show. They are the outsiders. So this allegation and counter-allegations are going on. Mamata Banerjee has also tweeted, and yesterday she spoke that everybody should be safe and fine. And today she has tweeted that the government will look after everyone, and after the MCC code is lifted, then everything will be provided to the people who have actually lost their homes and who have lost their lives. All these things will be taken care. But most interestingly, this is the area where the election is due. And that's why probably the allegation and counter-allegation is more.
Right. The politics is speaking there. For the moment, Komalika, thank you so much for getting us the latest. Unfortunately, a trail of destruction has been left behind by the cyclone. My colleague Komalika, in fact, was getting us reports from on ground where places are still inundated. Life has come to a grinding halt.